Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use hidden private album on One UI 7 and One UI 8 on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So the first steps are similar in both cases. All you have to do is open Gallery application, then go to settings and navigate down to About Gallery, and in this menu tap 11 times on your gallery version until you see Gallery Labs notification at the bottom of your screen. Then go back to the previous menu, open Gallery Labs, and now if you are using One UI 7, you're gonna have to search for the option called Album Entry Lock and toggle it on. If you have a One UI 8 version, you're gonna have to search for the private album toggle and toggle it on. And after doing that, you're gonna have to open recent tabs and close your gallery. Then enter your gallery, open menu, and if you are using One UI 8, you will see private album in here. Now if you are using the most recent One UI version, then this feature will be available for you immediately. So if you are using 8.5 or later, this feature will not require to be unlocked within Gallery Labs. It's full released right now. But let's go back to One UI 7. What you're gonna have to do in One UI 7 in order to create a private album is tap plus icon right here and select private album in here, and then you'll be able to select photos for it and move photos to it by selecting a photo from your gallery, tapping dot icon in here and selecting move to private album. This also applies to or move to an album and then select your private album, and this also applies to both OS versions. Then you'll be able to find your private album in your albums menu. All you're gonna have to do is select your album and enter the password for it. Now in One UI 8, open menu, open private album, and then enter your device's current lock screen password. And here you'll have access to all of your private media. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.